Does having digital credit cards make you want to spend more? Well, I don't think so. In fact, whether your card is digital or whether it's physical or whether you have cash or checks, you're going to spend regardless. The idea of spending more just because you have a digital card and it's easier and all that, I don't believe that's the real truth here. I think the real truth is if you're a spender, you're going to spend no matter what card you use, no matter what form of currency you use. So I don't believe that having a digital card is going to cause that. Now, what I do believe is having a digital card will secure your card and secure your number, just like the Apple Card does with the Apple Wallet. And that, I believe, is actually safer, is using a digital wallet instead of using the regular physical cards. So you want to learn how to manage your money well, learn how not to spend, learn how to make sure you have enough money in the bank before you're going to make a purchase. Then yeah, the Apple Card and the Apple Wallet, which are digital and there's a physical one, that's your best bet to go. So if you want to learn how not to be a spender, because I don't believe that article is true about that, then I recommend using the Apple Card, using the Apple Wallet, being very responsible and being very disciplined with your money. And I think in that sense, you won't have to worry about being an overspender. So let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like the video, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and I will catch you later with more videos.